Hi, welcome back to Algomiz. In this particular session, we will be discussing how to remove elements from a set. To remove an item in a set, use the remove or the discard method. Let us try these using an example. We have a set called things, and we have 3 items in it. Let us try removing an item from set using remove method. For which write down remove followed by things, and inside parentheses mention the element need to remove. Now printing out current set will give us only 2 elements, and we can see element laptop has been removed from things. This is how we can use remove method to remove an element from set using its name. Now let us see an example with discard method. Here we can use discard method followed by the set and mention the word need to be removed. Here I am removing word pen from our current set. Note that at present our things set contain 2 elements such as books and pen. We have already removed word laptop using remove method. Now let us see the output by printing things. Here discard method removed pen and only single item remains in the set. Now think of we have 2 methods to remove item, but how these 2 differ. Let us try removing an item which is not present in the set using both methods. Now, let us try removing item cloth from set which is not a member of this set. And let us print the output. And it gives an error message. Now let us do the same with discard method and see the output. Here, it does not shows any error message. So this is the difference between these 2 methods. If the item to remove does not exist, remove will raise an error, and if the item to remove does not exist, discard will not raise an error. Moving on, let us see the use of pop method in set. Let us create a set here. You can also use the pop method to remove an item, but this method will remove a random item, so you cannot be sure what item that gets removed. Let us remove a random item by using the pop method, for which write down pop followed by the set. Now printing out the set will give us the set with an item removed from it. We are not sure which item pop method will remove from the set. It's because the sets are unordered and unindexed. Moving on, let us see how to empty a set using clear method. Here we have a set and use clear method followed by this set will clear the set. Let us see the output. Here we are getting an empty set. Now let us use del keyword to delete entire set. Use del keyword and then mention the set. Now see the output. Here, the output shows an error message that it says named things is not defined, which means a set named things has deleted. So far, we have discussed different ways of removing items from a set. Next session we will be covering looping in set. Thank you so much for watching. I am sure you can easily learn Python and complete web development course just by watching my tutorial. But make sure you practice well. You may use my Python exercise playlist to improve your Python problem-solving skills. Happy programming!